Hey everyone, so I'm going to go over how to stop your Rheem water softener from flashing blue. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who have a Rheem water softener in their home. What does it actually mean when your light is flashing blue? Now what that actually means is that your Rheem water softener does need to be cleaned. So if you want this blue light to stop flashing, all you've got to do is just press any button here and it'll actually stop flashing. But I highly recommend that you do actually clean your Rheem water softener just so that you can actually have a longer lifespan. And with that, the way to actually clean it is that you want to grab one of these bottles here. So I just got this from Home Depot. It's about $12, but this is the Rheem Preferred Series Water Softener Cleaner. And so it came in about 3 days. I've had my water softener for about a year now, and this blinking flashlight blue finally appeared. But with one of those bottles, you basically pop this lid open and then pour the entire solution in there. And afterwards, you just click on recharge so that you can actually run the water softener. But with that though, I don't think you actually need to run like your cold water in order to dilute the solution. Like for my example, I have a tankless water heater, which should run enough water to actually clean out the solution. But even so, in order to turn off this blue flashing light, you can just press any button. But again, I highly recommend that you actually go ahead and insert the cleaning solution so that you can actually clean your water softener. But I hope you found this video helpful, guys. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments down below.